Hello, welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be showing how to build a to-do list, an interactive one using the JavaScript. To start with, I want to show you how it looks like before we dive into the explanations. So what it does is that it helps us to build a to-do list. Let's say you want to take a walk for the day. After your walk, you take breakfast. Let's say these are the two tasks you want to do today. So after listing them and actually completing them, you have to check for us to know that you've actually completed the task. And if you want to remove a task, you go ahead by pressing this X button. So this is a combination of HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript, making the app responsive. I want us to take a look at how our app will look like without JavaScript. So yeah, as you can see, if you type anything and you press the buttons, nothing works because there is no responsiveness. This is why we need JavaScript. So let's dive in. Uh, we start by the selection of elements, the construct to do inputs, construct add button, construct do list, construct total task, construct completed task. We grab elements from HTML because we've linked it together. So we grabbed elements from HTML using the get elements by ID. This lets us interact with the input field, button, task list, and stats. Moving on, we have this add button here that we are using to add task. When a button add task is clicked, so looking at the website, this is it's telling the browser that it should add something. Let's say when you type this, you want to add this. So when you click on the add task, it's going to add it to the task. Also, we are telling the browser to add a task when the enter key is being pressed. So if you don't want to press this, click on this add task button and you type something, you can just hit the enter and then it will be added to it. Moving on, we have we have the function to add a new task. So yeah, it's just like before. And then if you don't type anything inside here and you add text or you hit the enter, it's going to prompt you to please enter something. Yes, that is what this function does. Said if tax is equal to yeah, add please add and enter a task. Moving on to create list item, you construct li is equal to document dot create elements. Moving on, we have the task test. We have the mark completed text where we click to check that yes, we've completed a task. We also have the delete button. When you want to remove a task, you just have to click on the X button here to remove it. And then moving on to append elements. Also clearing inputs after maybe hitting the enter button. Here we create a new li for each task. If it's completed, we add a CSS class. The event listeners, clicking the task toggles its completion status and updates the stats. We validate input, create a task object, push it to the array, and then display it. So yeah, basically that's it. We've built an interactive to-do list using JavaScript. We also learn how to manipulate the DOM, handle events, and update the UI dynamically. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.